Okay, so what we're looking at is the Samsung SA-V700 smartwatch. Again, I actually got this used for a really smoking deal, like $5, but it didn't come with a charger. So I needed to order basically another charger for it. I went ahead and went, instead of paying like $35 for a Samsung charger, I went with this. Basically, it's an aftermarket charger sold from Amazon, probably made in something like China. It was only $9. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can purchase it on Amazon, again, for about $9 or so. So here we go, the first couple things we have in here. I got the USB charger, micro USB charger, it looks like. Nothing else in the box. And so this is nice and wrapped here. We'll undo that. You can see there you go, the micro USB to regular USB. It doesn't come with the actual wall charger outlet, so we'll have to find one of those. Put that on the side here. Let's undo the dock, and this comes in a little plastic bag. Again, completely plain. You can see there's no Samsung logo or anything like that, but you know, this is pretty, looks like pretty heavy-duty plastic. The spring load on here feels pretty good. Again, you know, this is just a charger, so as long as this thing works, I'm going to be happy. So what we're going to do now is actually attach everything and give it a full charge, and we're going to see how long this thing takes to charge up a full charge. My micro USB actually will plug into the side of the little base station here, and let's plug that in up just like that. Again, we're going to have to get another aftermarket wall charger to plug that USB port into. And then basically this charger is just going to sit on the watch. You have to line up the two little, you can see the little row of connectors there. And so that's just going to sit on the cradle just like that. And yeah, it's a pretty snug fit. Doesn't look like it's really going anywhere. I'm giving it a good shake here. And so it looks like it's snapped on fairly well. Once it's sitting on the cradle, obviously to release it, there's that little spring load button that I showed you earlier. You can just barely see that in the light here. You push that down, and this thing actually just slides right off. So it is fairly locked in there, though, once you do have it on. Okay, so just plugged the watch into a wall outlet. I'm actually using my Samsung phone wall charger. You can see it's obviously not perfect there, but we have it plugged into the wall, and basically we're getting a charge symbol now, and looks like it's on about 8% or so. Yeah, so we'll let that run and see how long it takes to charge fully.